Hi, in front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Then click on simple mode and tap on enter simple mode at the bottom. Now wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access settings again. And this time choose exit simple mode. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!